Tabogo so sound on the St. Pio Catholic Church. No local St. Pio. Can't you to two was in the men and have Nada, get an in a sapusi. Get a sapusi was Chetapa. Naive is the one you come. Oh, who hotel this is the one you go to get to more catchers. Not all you can have a you. What's your name?
My name is
Rita Olisa. From where? From Anambra State. That means you are Igbo. Your mom is Igbo. Your dad is Igbo. So I'm going to ask you a question in Igbo language. Any question you get, you answered well, you get 1,000 naira. And if you fail it, you are going to lose all the money. Are you ready to play the game? Are you ready to play the game? Stop nodding. I want you to shout. Are you ready to play the game? Yes. Children, should she play the game?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Question number 1. Like I said, I'll be asking you in Igbo. I will not go to church today in Igbo language. I will not go to church today. I will not go to church today. Nasusi. 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Then I'll give you another chance. Kedu ihe a na-akpọ a young man n'asụsụ Igbo? Kedu ihe a na-akpọ a young man n'asụsụ Igbo? Do you know? So, your mom is from where? And your dad is from where? So you see why we say that it is good to teach Igbo to your children. It is very, very important. Thank you and God bless you.